What's good, family? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make steak cooked in a mushroom gravy, kale greens, homemade mashed potatoes. I have all the ingredients right here. As you can see, everything is seasoned and clean. Let's get into it. Okay, right here I'm dropping my onions and my garlic and saute them down for a minute. This is for my kale greens. Okay, dropping some Creole seasoning here for the kick, get them greens a little kick. We'll go cook them down a little bit, translucent. I added 2 cups of chicken stock, to the pot for my kale greens. That gonna give some extra flavor. Love kale. Kale greens be hitting. These cook for like 20 minutes, and check on it. Okay, I'm dropping my chopped steak, I usually keep the steak whole, but I just want to try something different. But this is a great meal, easy to cook. Everybody will love it. Cook this steak. Got the steak and onions in here. The kale coming along nicely. You gotta keep stirring it, you don't want it to burn, but Okay, back to my steak. It's starting to cook a little bit. Turned out very good, smelling good. Okay, now I'm adding more onions and cherry tomatoes. The tomatoes give it a little color, and a little pop to it. Very good. Adding my mushrooms. I'm gonna let this cook down a little bit. Looking good. Finna add the gravy. I could have made, homemade gravy, but you can't go wrong. These Heinz, gravy in the jar, but it's the start of dish here. Cream of mushroom soup. That cream of mushroom soup will take it to a whole nother level. But we're gonna let this cook down. Simmer a little bit. There we go. Looking good. Cook down a little bit more. We have all the ingredients in the description with the measurements. Ooh. Yeah, the kale is done now, it's done. Potatoes boiling. They done. I cooked them over on a medium heat, Now we finna mash them up. Go on it with the sour cream. You know how it go. There we go. They mashed. Looking good. Smelling good. But like I say, you can't go wrong with homemade mashed potatoes. But usually when I make this dish, I cook rice, but I want to try something different this time, so I went with the potatoes. Add a little little salt, a little salt for taste. Some chimes. Get a little bit more mad. Get a little bit more. But here we go. This is it. It's the final product. It's what it looked like. It looks great. Tastes great. Oh man. But here we go. This is it. Okay, this is how I look on the plate. Plate it up. But like I say, this is a very easy meal, a very quick meal and tasty meal. You know, that your family will love, or yourself, you know what I mean? Can't go wrong with it. And if you don't want the potatoes, you can do the rice. But this is it. But thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out.